Let's talk about from a financial perspective. Anything changed over over these last 10 years? Well, interest rates went way up. When I say way up, they didn't even go way up. They've just went up. They've went up. Okay. But we really haven't seen much in the change of stock or equity prices.
No.
They've had, fluctuations like they have for the last 100 and some years.
Yeah. I wouldn't say that there's really any changes in the market, the stock market.
I mean, there's been shifts in growth versus value and those kinds of things, but I don't think that there's been any real changes in those areas right there.
No, your most favorable action still going to be buying and holding, time in the market.
Yep. Values of practices has went way up.
Yes.
Way up. So the values of your practices and the potential of them has went way up, especially if you have good practices. So when we were, again, we first started, you guys were lucky to get maybe 60 to 70% of revenue for the sale of a practice. And now, over these last 10 years, we have seen some of the most ridiculous numbers I think we've ever seen.
Oh yeah. I mean, I've seen 4 times revenue.
We've had practices sell for, 15 million, 18 million, 22 million, 25 million, just ridiculous amounts of money that owners have made. So I think one of the things you guys got to realize is that your biggest investment is still your practice, and it has the potential to really take care of you.
Yes, it does.
If you treat it like an investment and you continue to do that. So I think our focus has been a little bit more on, whereas when I first started, I wasn't even really thinking about selling the practice. What we were trying to do is get you to take profits out of the practice and create personal income streams with that, which really hasn't stopped. I'm still doing that. We're still doing that, and that is a successful action. That will be that will be a successful action until time immemorial.
Yep.
Okay. And that, again, if you want to ask, like, what's the difference between people that have had success over the last 10 years and those that have not? The ones that have had success have routinely, consistently, persistently, stubbornly, not stopped expensing out profits and channeling that to their household to create other income sources.
Yep.
Okay. And if you can continue to do that, you're going to win the game at some point in time. And it is a slow game because it does take, a little bit of time to do that. 7 to 10 years.
Yeah. It's not an overnight.
No.
Yeah. No.
But one day you do wake up and you do have significant assets. You're like, oh, wow. Okay. Things are a little easier on that. So that's been a successful action. I think debt has been a little bit, it was a big problem when we first started. People had so much debt. I don't really see that as much anymore. Do you?
Not as much. And I think part of it could just be my slanted view because all of my clients, for the most part, are long-term and have paid off a lot of debt. Yeah. But the other piece too is, and I mean, this doesn't completely answer it, but during the COVID years, once again, most people refied their debt at very low rates, making it more affordable. It doesn't get rid of it, obviously, but it made it more affordable.
Yeah. So, the low rates really allowed people to refinance business and personal debt to manageable payments, and as long as your income stayed steady or increased even a little bit, even 2 or 3%, then, the debt really wasn't burdensome. So I think the burden of debt has changed a little bit. Now, that's probably not so for new people that are coming out of school right now with higher student loan rates, and some people, and getting houses. People aren't able to do that anymore. Maybe the younger generation.
Assets are more expensive.
Yeah, assets are definitely more expensive than what they were. So that's certainly been a change right there. But I just haven't felt the burdens that's like this huge problem. Whereas before, it seemed like every person was just like drowning in it.
Oh,
It was
yeah.
so
I
terrible.
remember getting clients that would have 14, 15, 16 different debts.
Yeah.
And now I can't remember the last time I saw that.
Yeah, it's definitely been a little
It's
different.
good.
I do like that too. I mean, I do like that because that is one of those things that just wears on somebody.
Oh, it's so mentally draining and it's so defeating. And yeah.